Hello everyone, happy fall 2019. Thank you for coming to my channel. In today's video, what I'm going to do is open up all the dies that came in the 2019 Crafter's Companion Advent Calendar. This is supposed to be open in December, but I can't wait, so I'm going to open them now. The calendar comes with 24 different dies. And as you can see from the box, it has two different sides, so I couldn't wait to open them, and so I just gonna show you what they look like today. I'm not gonna show you the process of opening them because I actually ripped up the box apart because it was so hard getting them out, but I am gonna show you the dies that came. So here is going to be a picture that shows you all the 24 dies. As you can see, there's a variety of them. We have words, we have images, and they are all very, very cute. I also decided to die cut them because I wanted to see how they actually look on paper. So this next picture is going to show you how the die cuts actually look on paper. So as you can see, they cut really well and they are very, very cute. I used the Jemini Junior to cut these, and as you can see, there's just many that we can use throughout the year. So now I'm going to show you a close-up of all the dies and the die cuts. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, afternoon, or evening, and I'll see you on the next video.